Hello and welcome again. In this video, it's going to be really fast. I want to show you how to, some hints and tips of how to reinvigorate your watercolours once they've dried up in your watercolour palette. Now then, one of the things you're going to need is a hog hair brush. It doesn't really matter the size, we're just going to use quite a small one. Hog hair are oil painter's brushes. You're also going to need some hot water, just boiled in the kettle, so we'll have some of that there, and obviously your paints. Let's just move that so we can see it. And it's really simple to reinvigorate your paints just before you go out to paint if they've been sitting there for 6 months or more. So have a look at these. This is a cadmium red and cadmium orange. Listen to that, really rock solid. Let's just show you those there. Yeah, all of those three really rock solid. Let's reinvigorate them then with just hot water and a hog hair brush, and you'll be able to see what happens as we do this. Just with this hot water, you can see already reinvigorating the paint. I'm going to keep that paint as much as possible. Let's go back into this one. And straight away you can see that it's being reinvigorated. And obviously we're going to mess up the water in there quite soon, but it's just to get an idea. Okay, so hopefully you got the idea. Hot water on a hog hair brush, yeah, which is an oil painter's brush, and then just work the paint. That paint that's gone hard, so don't get rid of it. That'll be plenty good enough. The longer you work it, the more it will come back and be soft. There you go, look at that, look, lovely. Ready to start some painting. There you go. So thanks for watching my video. Take care now. Remember to subscribe, to like, and to return for more content.